the speaker. So first paper presenter is Dr. Moumita Gangopadhyay. Unmute and response, please.
Dr. Sarkar, please repeat. Please repeat.
Okay. From the first. Hello. May I audible? Hello.
Yes, start.
Now paper presenting session is going to start. All the paper presenter are requested to respond their name first. Unmute the speaker. So first paper presenter is Dr. Moumita Gangopadhyay, Ghatal Robindro Shatobarshiki Mahavidyalaya. Are you present? Please response. Dr. Moumita Gangopadhyay. Next.
Oh, she's not here. She's not here.
Okay, next. Dr. Animesh Patro from Midnapur College. Hello, Dr. Animesh Patro.
He is also not here.
Dr. Kantrishi Goswami, Charuchandra College. Dr. Kantrishi Goswami, Charuchandra College. Please
No,
respond.
absent.
Okay, next. Next name is Soumendra Kumar De, Bardhaman University.
Yes,
Soumendra
sir.
Kumar.
Yes, sir. I am present now.
Okay, thank you. Next, Vivekananda Nondi, Ramakrishna Mission, Vidya Mandir, Belur. Vivekananda Nondi, Ramakrishna Mission, Vidya Mandir, Belur.
Absent.
Okay, so now the present person is Soumendra Kumar De. I request Soumendra Kumar De to speak from Bardhaman University. I request you to continue for the paper presentation.
Thank you, sir. At first,
Okay.
thanks, sir, and the organizer to give me opportunity in international web conference. I am Soumendra Kumar De, student of MSc Applied Mathematics, now studying B.Ed degree from Bardhaman University. Now, I am going to start my topic in sustainable environmental development in chemistry. At first, we define what is sustainable development. Sustainable development is the development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. And now, the features of the sustainable development. The features of the sustainable development includes a sustained rise in per capita income worldwide, rational usage of resources, pollution checks, population control, and relative dependence on the renewable sources of energy to meet future generation needs. Sustainable development is based on the three pillars of sustainability, which is given in the figure: economic, environmental, and social sustainability. It is only achieved when there is a balance or trade-off between these three aspects. Next slide, please. Now, what are the pests and the pesticides? Now we discuss what are the pests and the pesticides. A pest is any animal or the plant which has a harmful effect on human, their food or their living conditions. Pest includes the animal which carry disease causing the microorganism and parasites. For the example, mosquito which carry Ross River virus and Murray Valley encephalitis attack and eat the vegetables and cereal crops. For example, caterpillars and the grasshoppers. Damage stored food. For example, rats and mice may eat grains in soils, rice or biscuit in shops and homes, and contaminate this food with their feces and urine. Now, next slide, please. The types of the pesticides. Now, there are various types of pesticides in our environment, like as insecticides, that is insect, herbicides, that then rodenticides, that is rodent, and bactericides, that is bacteria, fungicides, that is fungi, and larvicides, that is larva. Pesticides can also be considered as biodegradable. That is, the biodegradable kind is those which can be broken down by microbes and other living beings into harmless compounds, and persistent, while the persistent ones are those which may take months or years to break down. Another way to classify these is consider those that the chemical forms or are derived from the common source of production method. The chemically pesticides and the herbicides, chemically related pesticides, the organophosphate. Most organophosphate are insecticides. They affect the.
Hello, Somendro.
Hello.
Somendro,
Hello.
your slide is not visible.
Hello.
Your slide is not visible. Yes, now is it? Yes.
Slide number 6, please. Thanks. Now, chemically related. Now we discuss the chemically related pesticides. The chemically related pesticides are the organophosphate, carbamate, and organoporine insecticides, and pyrethroid and sulfuridia. Organophosphate, the most organophosphate are insecticides. They affect the nervous system and disrupting the enzyme that regulates the neurotransmitter. On the other hand, the carbamate, similar to the organophosphorus pesticide, the carbamate pesticides also affect the nervous system by the disrupting the enzyme that regulates the neurotransmitter. However, the enzyme effects are usually reversible. The organoporine insecticides, they were commonly used earlier, but now many countries have been removed the organoporine insecticides from their market due to their health and environment effect and their persistence. That is, as for example, DDT and codeine and toxophene. Pyrethroid. These are the synthetic version of pyridine in naturally occurring pesticides. Next slide, please. Benefit of the pesticides. The benefits of the pesticides. The major advantage of the pesticide is that they can serve the farmers by protecting the crops from the insect and other pests, and also controlling the pest and plant disease vector, controlling the human or livestock disease vector and nuisance organisms, and controlling the organisms that harm other human activities and structure, which is shown in the given figure. Now the use of the pesticides. Here from the given figure we see that 4% herbicides, 4% others, and 60% is herbicides, and 15% fungicides, and 65% insecticides. Now the component of the pesticides. Next slide, please. Component of the pesticides. So, previous slide, please. Thanks. Now, basic information, the composition of the components of the pesticides. Basic information about the pesticides ingredients. And active ingredients prevents, destroy, and repels or mitigates a pest, or is a plant regulator and defoliant riskant or nitrogen stabilizer. All other ingredients is called the inert ingredients by federal law. They are important for product performance and utility. As for example, DDT, 2,4-dichlorophenoxy acetic acid, and atrazine. Now, next slide, please. Application of the pesticides. Now, here we discuss about the sustainable environment development in chemistry. Sustainable environment is also a process that stimulates the innovation across all sectors to design and discover new chemical production process and product stewardship practices that will provide the increased performance and increased value while meeting the goals of protecting and enhancing the human value, human health, and the environment. On the other hand, the environmental chemistry in the scientific study of the geochemical and biochemical phenomena that occur in the natural places. It should not be confused with the green chemistry, which seeks to reduce the potential pollution at its source. When the pesticide is applied to crop, most of the product is either taken up by the plants and animals or eventually degraded by the microbial and other chemical pathogens. Next slide, please. Awareness. Now the awareness. The farmers serve the main unit of the pesticide application. Hence, their degree of awareness pesticide residues inherently affects their methods of pesticide application. Whether they apply the pesticide in a standardized method affected the generated amount of pesticide residue, thereby ultimately influencing the safe production of the agriculture product. And next slide. Next, please. Advantage and the disadvantage. Advantage and the disadvantage of the pesticides. Now the pesticides. Now the pesticides are the chemicals that kill the pest. Pesticides help the farmers in preventing the crop damage by these harmful insects. One of the major advantages of the pesticide use is that they kill the pest faster than other pest control methods. The pesticides are also easy to use. With most pesticides, a farmer is just required to mix the pesticide with a specified amount of water and they spray the crop. There is also a wide range of the pesticide from which a farmer or the gardener can choose from. This implies that the farmer can easily find the pesticide that they can need to control the particular pest in their farm. On the other hand, the disadvantage of the pesticides are the pesticides use is an unavoidable aspect of farming or gardening. This is because pesticides help in keeping the plant free from the pest infestation. And although the pesticides are important to farmers, using them can pose a risk to the farmer, his family, and animals. And some pesticides have very bad effect on health. They can cause the nausea, blindness, and diarrhea, and even death. Next, please. The economic benefits of the pesticide. The pesticide enable farmer to produce the safe quality foods and affordable prices. They also help the farmers provide an abundance of nutritious and all year round foods which are necessary for human health. Fruit and vegetables which provide the essential nutrients and more abundant and affordable. Next, please. Impact our environment. On our environment. The pesticides can contaminate the soil, water, turf, and other vegetation. In addition to killing insect of weeds, the pesticides can toxic to a host of other organisms, including the bird, trees, beneficial insect, and non-target plants. And insecticides are generally to most actually the toxic classes of pesticide, but herbicides can also pose risk to non-target organisms. Non-pesticide benefit this crop, however, they also impose a serious negative impact on our environment. Excessive use of pesticide may lead to the destruction of the biodiversity. Many birds, aquatic organisms, and animals are under the threat of the human pesticides, harmful pesticides for their survival. Pesticides are concerned of sustainability of environment and goal stability. Now, next, please. The steps of India government and UNO about the pesticides. The government plans to ban 27 widely used pesticides as it regards them be dangerous for the human and animals. But it will be first here out of the manufacturers who says their products are not harmful. The government has shortlisted these 27 from 66 contagious pesticides being reviewed. Highly hazardous pesticides means the pesticides that are acknowledged to present particularly high levels to acute or chronic hazard to health or environment according to the international accepted classification system such as WHO or the Global Harmonized System, that is GHS, of their listing is relevant to binding the international agreements or convention. In addition, pesticides that appear to cause the severe or irreversible harm to health or the environment under the conditions of use in a country may be considered to be treated as highly hazardous. Next, please. Now, from the above discussion, we can conclude that the pesticides can, under some circumstances, prevent large crop losses, thus raising agricultural output and farm income. The increased supply of crop can be passed on the consumers in form of the lower food price. Although low prices can adversely affect the farmers regardless of the production increases. Also, it is high time that we start thinking about the hazardous effect of the pesticide of the human health. Strong laws must be implemented by the government to control the use of these pesticides. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you, Somendra Kumar De. If there is any query or questions, please ask Mr. De. Is there any
Yes,
query or question?
I have a question, and that I have a doubt whether pesticides will affect the nutritional value of the plants, or it will resist it. Hello, am I audible?
Hello, Somendra. Hello.
Okay, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are. But Somendra is not responding. Hello, Somendra Kumar.
Okay, okay.
Hello. You can write in the chat box, so next time we can
Okay,
get the answer from him. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Here one thing I need to mention, that I forget to mention, that Dr. Dipanjan Mojumdar, he was a chairperson of this session. I am extremely sorry for that. If any paper presenter are present, please respond again. If any paper presenter are present now, Dr. Momita Gangopadhyay, Dr. Animesh Patro, Dr. Kantrishi Goswami, Dr. Kantrishi Goswami, no. Dr. Vivekanando Nondi, I think all of are absent. Okay. So this is our end of the program for 2 days. This is the last paper presentation program, was the last program. Thank you all of you for presenting today. Next day we will meet again.
Okay, one doubt I have, sir, whether the registration form we should fill up for the 2 days or
2 days.
1 day, 2 days.
2 days.
Feedback form is
after the end of the program. After the end of the program.
Okay.
You will get the okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
So, on behalf of the organizing committee for this webinar, web conference, we are again thank you all the participants and all the resource person who has shared their research work and valuable detail of their findings with us, with the presenters and with the participants. So thank you once again. So we will start our second day of this international webinar tomorrow at 11. Okay, we will meet at 11 sharp 11 tomorrow. For 2 days we are closing this session. Thank you very much for your patience and for attending this session.
Thank you. So